Hey there, I'm glad you decided to sign up. Kettlebells are a great way to train the nervous system, blast through those exercise plateaus, and improve your mobility. A little bit about this course. It's designed to introduce beginners to kettlebells, teach you how to master the swing and the clean, but it can still be useful for those who know how to use kettlebells to reinforce fundamentals and technique. In this course, I will teach you the techniques of the clean and the swing, two of the foundational movements for all the other kettlebell movements. I'll also instruct you in a few other core movements that you can use later on when you're designing your own kettlebell routines. But don't worry, I'll give you a few routines to get you started. Just a few tips before we begin. Obviously, you need access to a kettlebell, so you can buy one or you can use one at your local gym. If you're a beginner, I recommend that you wear gloves or use chalk in order to protect your hands while you're learning to master the techniques. Another thing that I recommend beginners have are wristbands. You know, the thick wristbands from the 1970s aerobic videos. They will be great to protect your forearms until you can master the clean technique. Throughout this course, you'll hear me use the word technique a lot. Technique with kettlebells is very important. Unlike bodyweight training, if you use poor technique with kettlebells, you can really hurt yourself. So, focus on your technique. Having said that, start with a light weight. Once you've mastered your technique and improved your skill, then you can throw the big weights around. There are 3 types of movements that I do not include in this program due to the high level of technique and mastery required. They are double kettlebell movements, any exercise where you have a kettlebell in both hands at the same time. We also won't be doing any hand and release movements where you throw it or swing it and then let go of the kettlebell and then try to catch it again. And the last type of exercise I don't include are carries, meaning walking from one place to another with kettlebell either in front rack, hanging, over your head, whatever. The majority of the movements that we're going to go over will have your 2 feet always in the same place.